Okay, gentlemen, we're live in 2 minutes. 2 minutes before the show. Me. If you want to put your fingers in the nose, it's right now.
Okay, Rob, are you going to join us?
Yeah,
Today,
Rob.
3 minutes 20. There's only 3 hosts of the Home Tech Experience. Come on, Rob. Let's go.
What is he doing?
This is
Rob?
he's using Home Tech Kleenex.
Maybe.
That's the way it started.
Thanks for joining us today for the Home Tech Experience, where we talk about today's tech that matters to you. So join us as we come from around the world to discuss the Home Tech Experience.
I had to wipe the mess off my hand.
Welcome, everyone, to the first episode of the Home Tech Experience. I am one of your hosts, Chris Gamble from the UK. Joining me is Bruno Napoli. Hi, Bruno.
How are you, Chris?
How is everybody? This is JJ Cannon, Houston, Texas Digital Delight, and we are here in my Texas bunker.
Rob, hello.
How's everything, brother? Happy Wednesday to everybody, and to the people watching, which is probably at this point only our wives, our girlfriends, and our kids. But really happy to be here.